Macy all over the bed. And Macy's sleeping. We just finished watching the menu. SpongeBob's down there. He's actually cute.